Hey everybody! Are you looking for a unique and sustainable way to add greenery to your home or garden? Look no further than this incredible vertical garden made entirely from recycled plastic bottles. Not only is this project eco-friendly and budget-friendly, but it's also perfect for small spaces and beginner gardeners alike. So let's get started. We are here today to show you how to turn everyday plastic bottles into a thing of beauty that will make your neighbors green with envy. So sit back, relax, and let us show you how it's done. And if you love this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Our first step is to collect a sufficient number of plastic bottles to construct our vertical garden. The number of bottles you will need depends on the size of your garden and the height of the bottles themselves. We recommend using clear or translucent bottles to allow the maximum amount of sunlight to reach the plants. To do this, start by rinsing the bottles thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris. Once they're clean, use a pair of sharp scissors to cut a rectangular opening on the side of each bottle. The size of the opening should be large enough to accommodate the type of plants you plan to grow. Make sure to cut the edges of the opening smooth to prevent any damage to your plants. This step is crucial, so take your time and do it right. Once you've cut the sides of all the bottles, it's time to move on to the next step. Poke small holes at the bottom of each bottle using a small tool or nail. These holes will allow excess water to drain out of the bottles and prevent your plants from becoming waterlogged. Remember, proper drainage is essential for healthy plants. Now you're almost ready to plant. Next, we'll show you how to attach the bottles to a vertical frame. Choose a sturdy material such as a wooden pallet to serve as the base for your vertical garden. You can use string, zip ties, or hooks to secure the bottles to the frame. Depending on the size of your garden, you may need additional support to keep it stable and upright. Remember to arrange the bottles evenly on the frame to create a neat and uniform appearance. This step is not only functional, but it will also contribute to the overall aesthetic appeal of your finished product. Take your time to ensure that the bottles are securely attached and won't fall off accidentally. With a little effort, you'll have a beautiful vertical garden that will be the envy of your neighborhood. Now that your bottles are prepared and attached to the vertical frame, it's time to fill them with soil and plant your favorite flowers, herbs, or vegetables. This is where you can let your creativity shine and add some color and life to your garden. Select plants that complement each other and will thrive in the space available. Consider the size of the plants at maturity and choose accordingly. If you're unsure which plants to choose, consult with a local gardening expert or do some research online. Once you have your plants selected, it's time to get planting. Start by adding a small layer of soil to the bottom of each bottle, then gently place your seedlings inside. Water your plants thoroughly and place your vertical garden in a location that will receive adequate sunlight. With a little care and attention, your plants will flourish and you'll have a beautiful vertical garden to enjoy for years to come. And there you have it, a stunning vertical garden made from recycled plastic bottles. We hope you enjoyed this easy and eco-friendly DIY project. Making a vertical garden from plastic bottles is a great way to reduce waste while also providing a sustainable and space-saving way to grow your favorite plants. Plus, it's a fun and rewarding project that anyone can do. So why not give it a try? All you need are some plastic bottles, a sharp blade, a drill, and some soil, and you're good to go. If you're feeling creative, you can even decorate your plastic bottles with paint or other embellishments to add a personal touch to your garden. And if you're short on space, don't worry. You can make a vertical garden on a small scale by using smaller bottles or hanging your bottles from a wall or fence. But before we wrap up, we want to hear from you. Have you ever made a vertical garden from plastic bottles? What kind of plants did you grow? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you. At our company, we're committed to providing you with high-quality products and exceptional customer service. Our team of experts is always available to help you with any questions or concerns you may have. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a first-time gardener, we have the knowledge and experience to guide you through every step of the process. So don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help. Thank you for watching. We hope you've enjoyed learning how to make a vertical garden from plastic bottles. If you're looking for more fun and easy DIY projects, be sure to check out our other videos. From crafting to gardening and home improvement, we have something for everyone. So why wait? Click on that subscribe button now and never miss out on any of our latest content. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Have you ever thought about growing your own herbs and vegetables but don't have the space or know where to start? Well, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing our self-watering herb garden. This innovative indoor garden is designed to make growing fresh herbs and vegetables easy and enjoyable, even for beginners. With its sleek and modern design, this indoor garden will fit seamlessly into any kitchen or living space. It's made from high-quality materials that are built to last, ensuring that you can enjoy fresh herbs and vegetables for years to come. One of the best things about our self-watering herb garden is just how easy it is to use. Simply insert your favorite herbs or vegetables, add water to the reservoir, and watch them grow. The self-watering feature means that your plants will always have the right amount of moisture, making them happy and healthy. No more guessing or overwatering. Plus, the transparent water tank allows you to monitor the water level at all times. This ensures that your plants will never suffer from dehydration. Another great benefit of our self-watering herb garden is that it's incredibly versatile. You can grow a wide variety of herbs and vegetables, including basil, mint, parsley, cilantro, tomatoes, lettuce, and more. The possibilities are endless. And with multiple planting pods, you can grow several plants at once. Plus, the adjustable LED grow lights ensure that your plants will always have the perfect amount of light to thrive. The lights are customizable, allowing you to choose the ideal spectrum and intensity for your plants. And if you're worried about the safety of using electrical outlets near water, don't be. Our self-watering herb garden has been designed with safety in mind. The waterproof and insulated design ensures that there is no risk of electric shock, giving you peace of mind. So why wait? Give our self-watering herb garden a try today and start growing your own fresh herbs and vegetables. With its ease of use, versatility, and safety features, it's the perfect indoor garden for anyone who wants to enjoy the benefits of fresh, healthy produce all year round. Add it to your cart now and take advantage of our limited time offer. Don't miss out on this chance to bring a touch of green to your home. Order your self-watering herb garden today and start growing. Have you ever wanted to grow your own vegetables but don't have the space or know where to start? Vertical gardens are a great way to grow food without taking up a lot of space. They're perfect for small apartments, patios, or anywhere where traditional gardening isn't feasible. And with the added benefit of being able to grow more food in a smaller area, it's no wonder why vertical gardens are becoming so popular. Vertical gardens can be made in a variety of ways using different materials such as wood, metal, or plastic. But one of the most unique and eco-friendly options is to use old plastic bottles. Plastic bottles are durable, lightweight, and easy to work with, making them an ideal material for vertical gardening. Plus, recycling plastic bottles helps reduce waste and keep them out of landfills. To make a vertical garden from plastic bottles, simply cut the sides of the bottles lengthwise and then attach them to a vertical surface using zip ties or screws. Each bottle acts as an individual planter, allowing you to grow a variety of vegetables such as tomatoes, cucumbers, or lettuce. The bottles also provide excellent drainage, and the lightweight construction makes it easy to move the garden as needed. Not only is a vertical garden from plastic bottles an excellent space-saving solution, but it also helps conserve water. The bottles hold the soil and plants close together, creating a microclimate that retains moisture and reduces evaporation. This means you won't have to water your garden as frequently compared to traditional gardening methods. In addition to saving space and water, vertical gardens from plastic bottles are also incredibly affordable. You can make a garden for less than $10, making it a great option for those on a budget. Overall, vertical gardens made from plastic bottles are a fantastic way to grow fresh, healthy vegetables in a small space while reducing waste and conserving resources. Try making one today and enjoy the benefits of a greener, more sustainable lifestyle.